i35equipment.com. This is the coin-operated kitties ride. It is in our very packed office. Sorry, it's hard to get a better video than this. I can switch to the fisheye lens. You will notice a little distortion. There's the fisheye. It does give you a better view. However, it does distort it a little bit. We're gonna pop a coin in here and let you check it out. It is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call at 405-833-6437 to get on the calendar. There's one working coin slot, one inoperable. Working side. Currently, we have it set up to operate on one coin and run at its longest duration. There are switches on the control box on the bottom that you can change those options. It is a fiberglass body. It has been used, so there are some scuffs and scrapes around it. As you can see, it's working well. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Most importantly, the horn button is working. Sides here, the coin area. There's the back side. The coin box is down below. Hard to see, but there is a hooked up. Hard to say if that's accurate or not, but it was here. That's what it's reading. Honk the horn one more time for good measure. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Look forward to hearing very soon. And hope you have a wonderful day.